what the sound of rum is.
The sound of rum is joy.
It's culture, it's life.
And the music sound good.
It brings everybody together.
It's just a feeling.
That sounds like rum to me.
Brazil breed a lot of footballers. We breed a lot of stars here. Everybody talented. That's how we reach far out.
The world is fascinated with our culture.
And it's more than music, it's people personality, the vibe, the sun and everything.
It's just exotic.
And I think the music is the thing that connects the people to the Caribbean.
Europe has embraced the music of the West Indian Islands with open arms, and they've been doing that since the early noughties. You can go to dances in Germany where they're just playing soca all night.
That's where everything started for me. You have a sound in Cologne named Pow Pow, and they used to just play the records they brought from Jamaica, and the subculture, they grow and grow and grow.
I hear this soca beat, that do-ka-do-ka in different genres like EDM and pop. Seeing all these artists touching on Caribbean music means that it's opening just yet another door. You know, this is our sound, it's all pervading.
I think the thread that connects all the sort of influences of music from the Caribbean to the grime and even the punk and stuff, I think really it's the energy, and a lot of it is massively influenced from Jamaican music and that whole forward culture. There is a constant quest now through fusion to create the new type of music.
Now more than ever, different cultures are blending.
It's a smaller world, so if things are accessible to us, we're going to experiment with it.
And since music is the soundtrack to life, all that is going to show itself in the art forms, for sure.
You have the Rihanna doing little dancehall, the Drakes doing little dancehall.
It's all about finding that unique sound. We want to make the sound around the soundtrack to those experiences.
And the most we could hope for is somebody's culture to influence somebody's culture and to create something new. And this is what's happening right now around the world. These youths are making great music and not excluding anybody. They're just trying to make people move and dance.
Them addicted and them can't have enough. Tell you whining is number one, you know. Make a pose, big six coming up. Back up, don't touch up.